In this tutorial, we'll walk through creating a visual process to archive a specific cube scenario into a CSV file. We start by creating a new process and giving it a descriptive name. Once we click OK, we will be taken to our new visual process. Next, we add in a cube slice node. This will read the scenario data we want to back up. In our case, the actual scenario from the sales cube. This will output the elements and values as rows of data. Now we add a CSV writer node. This takes our row data from the cube slice and writes it to the path we specify. In this example, we are going to make an argument called file_name, so when running the visual process, it will prompt and allow us to name our backup file. To add this argument, we click the Add button in the top left next to the argument's title and fill in the appropriate fields. The key is the unique name of the variable in the visual process. The display name, the description, and the default value are what is shown when we run the visual process. Now we can drag our file name argument and attach it to the file path port to save our data to this file. We link our execution flows so the cube slice runs first. Then the CSV writer is linked to the process row execution port. We then link our row data port to the CSV writer to tell it what data to write. With all the parameters now set, it's now ready to run. That's it. We've built a reusable, automated way to archive a cube scenario into a CSV.